Developing an in-house GenAI solution offers customization but comes with challenges. High initial costs are a major hurdle, requiring investment in technology and specialized talent. Extended development time is another issue, as creating a best-in-class solution can take over a year. Long-term maintenance demands continuous updates and a dedicated team. Additionally, integrating GenAI with existing systems can strain IT resources. Without a proven roadmap, projects risk delays or incomplete solutions. Point solutions for GenAI can be tempting but risky. They often underperform in complex use cases, leading to marginal gains in key performance indicators. Without reliable business processes, GenAI may produce inconsistent responses, risking customer satisfaction. Security is another concern, as unproven solutions may lack necessary safeguards, leading to unsafe responses. Long-term support is crucial, yet many point solutions lack the expertise needed for sustained performance improvements, making them unpredictable. GenAI add-ons to contact center as a service, CCaaS, platforms offer integration, but may sacrifice performance. These add-ons often use generic models, limiting their ability to resolve complex issues. Dependency on multiple providers can complicate integration, requiring additional resources. Misaligned incentives focus on agent productivity rather than call resolution. Despite CCaaS providers' experience, their focus on generative AI is limited, risking performance. This can hinder contact centers from achieving significant efficiency gains. Opting for a wait-and-see strategy with GenAI carries risks. Delaying adoption can leave contact centers behind competitors who leverage AI for efficiency and customer satisfaction. As customer demand rises, traditional strategies may exacerbate challenges. Instead of waiting, CX leaders should seek education and build a business case for AI. Engaging in learning opportunities and mapping out AI benefits can prepare organizations for the next era of customer service, ensuring Provision offers expert advisory services in IT asset management, focusing on cloud, telecom, and more. Our specialists excel in wireless networking, mobility, and contact centers, providing deep market knowledge. We prioritize a client-focused approach to help you navigate the IT services landscape effectively. Provision delivers tailored solutions to meet your business needs across various industries.